Should I learn Java or Cocoa? I hear a lot of angry debate on each side but few solid arguments.
It sounds like the war of the hot beverages, about to devolve into regular versus decaf or Green Mountain versus Starbucks.
Mech developers are fighting over which brew to use. Did you know Java even has Java beans?
Apple started deprecating Java back in 2010.
Say what? Making fun of it?
Back in 2010, Apple said that developers shouldn't use the Apple-supplied Java runtime for their development.
And that's despite Java being one of the backbones of the internet.
JavaScript is more important when it comes to developing web apps. But the fact that Apple said Java was depreciated, also known as obsolete, means Apple itself turned its back on the language.
And what do Apple developers do now?
Apple threw out the Java coffee and embraced hot cocoa.
If you learn Cocoa, you have to work with Xcode. Eclipse for Java is more robust.
It's just been around longer.
Why did they get rid of Java?
One of the complaints was that Java was too slow. This was true if you had immersive experiences like shoot-'em-up games.
And Java does not support Objective-C, the language they use for the iOS hardware.
Objective-C programmers need more workarounds to call Java code, but it can be done.
Then why does anyone still use Java?
Java has better access modifiers like public, private and protected. Objective-C and Cocoa don't have the same options.
I'd hate to have to hack the code to implement good access control.
Java with Eclipse is also a more complete object-oriented language than Objective-C and Cocoa.
What's your verdict?
If you want to be an Apple developer, go with Cocoa because that's their preference. For everything else, use Java and Eclipse.